Okay, Unit 3 project. We have typed in our document title. We're going to help. Click on Docs Help. Type in revision. Notice what we're looking for is see the history of changes made to a file, which are revisions. And what we're going to do is copy. Click and drag. We're going to copy the text. We don't need to have the rating of the article. Down here we don't need to copy that. I'm going to right click and copy. Left click to exit Google Editor's help. In the blank document we can do Control V or right click and copy. I'll do Control V to paste that in. And then we're going to create a page break. We can use the keyboard shortcut, Control Enter. Hold down the Control, hit Enter once to create a page break. Again, we're going back to Help, Docs Help. Type in header. And we're going to click on the result headers and footers. And copy this text. And right click that text and copy, or we can use the keyboard shortcut, Control plus C. Exit the Google Docs Editor's help. And then I'm going to use my keyboard shortcut. Actually this time I'm going to paste using the right click menu. So we have a page, see the history of changes made to a file. Second page is the headers and footers, and a little bit more. We're down to page 3. The number of pages you have doesn't have to exactly match. Sometimes fonts are different in different operating systems or in your Google Docs preferences. Okay, so we're going to create another. Once again, I'm going to use Control plus Enter to create another blank page. Page break. Going back to Docs Help. And I'm going to type in find. And we're looking for find and replace. This one's a little different. It doesn't give us at first all the options. So what we're looking for is the find and replace in a document desktop. Notice they have it for Android, iOS, and for spreadsheets. I am going to hit the down arrow and select everything up until the Android section. And I'm going to use my keyboard shortcut, Control C. Hit the Google Docs Editor's Help Exit button. Control V, another keyboard shortcut. And I have my find and replace documentation. So now I have 4 pages. Okay, next I'm going to insert a header. I click on Insert Header. And it does not matter which page you put it on. It will automatically format to each page. This one's right aligned. You might have yours starting at left aligned. So I'm going to insert a page number. And I'm going to use this first top left option, which is going to put our page numbers at the top. Notice using this button you can skip the first page. Say if you had a title page and you wanted it to number after that first page at either the top or bottom. Okay, so I'm going to choose the top left one to number at the top right of each page in this document. Okay, I've got the number, but now what I want to do is I want to right align it. And I'm going to click right align, and it will right align all the page numbers. There's 3. There's 4. Okay, and then we're going to type in, we're going to insert a footer. Notice sometimes it's grayed out and it won't let me access to any of the header or footer. When that's happening, it's because we're still in the header. So you have to click outside of the header. And now I go back to the insert menu and I'm able to add a footer. For the footer, go ahead and enter your name. First and last. Don't forget to capitalize. Okay. Click outside of it. And then we're going to take a look at our revision history. So click on File, go to See Revision History. Okay, today my different options. Now I'm going to see more detailed revisions by clicking, make sure Show Changes is checked. Click on See More Detailed Revisions, and it'll show you the different times that you were working on. Now I'm going to hit Print Screen, take a screen capture. Now I want to paste this in at the end of the document. It will not allow me to do so until I close the revision history. So I close the revision history. I'm going to click at the end here, insert another page break, and paste by using Control V to paste my screen capture in. Okay, and you can see, notice I have the text here as I was making this tutorial, and this was my recording screen. This is what my screen capture looks like. Okay, there you go. That's the Unit 3 project. Check against the 4 key. There may be slight differences in the way that your screen capture looks. And this text was taken on March 10th, 2015, so there may be slight differences as Google is continually updating the text of their help file. Okay.